Hey everyone, so what's up to another episode of Truckin Tuesday? I have some really good news for y'all. I got my transmission back. It is not in the truck yet, but show you the transmission. The technician broke it down again, and it was just something simple that I've learned about these transmissions. Like just there was no mistake that I really made. It was just, if you just jar the transmission just the least little bit, it will lock into gear. So apparently it was locked in reverse, and so because it would shift in the first and second, but it will not shift in third, fourth, and will not go over to the next glide for fifth and reverse. So that's all that was. And but just stay tuned. I will get the ball rolling. I will get this truck running, because I did get it cranked up last time, and when I kind of just tested it out just see if it'd crank, and it did. So that's a good thing, and so that's a positive note, I guess you can say. But after I get it running, there's some tires I'm going to have to get for it. There's small things here and there I'm going to get. But also, the other day I was getting on the interstates and my Evo, and there was this group of young men in a jacked up white diesel truck, and I had some really awesome footage. I had some recordings of it, but then the file got corrupted. I tried uploading it to my computer, stuff like that, but one of the guys did follow me and subscribe to me. So if you're watching this, please comment below. I would love to get some more footage of y'all's truck or whatever. Let's try to link up, because I want to redo a video, because everything that I had, like, it's just hard to mimic what happened on the interstate. And those of you who are watching, it was pretty awesome. We just kind of went at it on the interstate, and it was really fun. It was a very fun day. But yeah, if y'all see this, comment below, and let's try to link up again, because I want to retake those videos and stuff, and whatever y'all want to do in y'all's truck as well. So let me know what you think.